Open any social media app right now, and you are immediately hit by a wall of hype. Glowing trend lines, massive percentage gains flashing across your screen, and an endless stream of accounts pushing the next big political token. One of the latest examples to ride this exact political wave was TrumpPeace, a token launched on the Solana network through the pump.fun platform. The hype suggested it was going to the moon. This chart shows the reality of that hype. In under 24 hours, TrumpPeace completely collapsed. Almost everything was wiped out. 99% of its value completely gone. A crash this absolute leaves behind specific technical markers in the data. To understand why it failed so rapidly, we have to examine the structural mechanics of the launch itself. There is a severe psychological danger in treating these hyper-trending meme coins like traditional, stable assets. People look at a rising price and assume there is a real product, a real business, or some intrinsic value supporting the momentum. Buying TrumpPeace without underlying fundamentals is like walking blindfolded off a concrete ledge into a vacuum. You are placing your money into empty space. To make sure you don't become the exit liquidity for the next trending coin, we need to perform a structural autopsy on TrumpPeace. We have to look at exactly what this token was missing from the exact second it launched. Think of this as a diagnostic post-mortem. For a cryptocurrency to survive long-term, it needs specific, functioning vital organs. We are looking for what was missing here. The first missing piece: there is no known founding team. There are no accountable developers with public reputations on the line. The second missing piece is the lack of a smart contract audit. An audit is an independent review of the token's underlying code to ensure it's secure. Without one, the contract could be full of hidden flaws or malicious backdoors designed to drain funds. This architectural blueprint highlights the three core pillars of a secure project and brings us to the third missing piece. TrumpPeace had no published supply structure and no tokenomics document. There was no math explaining how the tokens were distributed or what economic rules govern the supply. There was also zero burn mechanism in place. A burn mechanism destroys a portion of tokens over time to control inflation. Without it, the token supply remained completely unchecked and permanently unbalanced. Without a team, verified code, or economic guardrails, the token lacked the structure required to sustain a market. It was built without a foundation. That missing foundation creates a fatal mechanical problem in the market known as thin liquidity. This diagram shows two contrasting pools that illustrate how this works. In a normal trading environment, liquidity acts as a deep pool of dense particles. It works like a shock absorber, cushioning the price when large groups of people decide to sell. But with TrumpPeace, the liquidity was incredibly shallow. When liquidity is this thin, a single large sell order hits the market, and there is no safety net to absorb the blow. The lack of depth causes the price to plummet instantly. You can see evidence of this in where it was available. TrumpPeace only traded on decentralized exchanges on the Solana network through Jupiter. It lacked the deep volume and safety nets provided by a Tier 1 centralized exchange listing. Thin liquidity ensures that the moment retail hype slows down and the earliest buyers decide to cash out, the floor falls out completely. No one else has time to escape safely. The chronological outcome of these missing pieces is precise. From its early peak, it took exactly 19 hours for the token to experience total failure. This terminal screen displays the grim numerical reality of the aftermath. The token's market cap crashed all the way down to a microscopic valuation of under $7,000. Today, the trading volume has dried up to absolute zero. The market sentiment is dead. This chart serves as a mathematical record of a total liquidity collapse. It represents the final state of an asset that lacked a functioning market from the start. To protect yourself, follow one rule. If you see a token trending on social media, but it lacks a clear team, a security audit, and deep liquidity, treat it purely as high-risk speculation. It is not an investment. Always do your own rigorous research before entering any trade, and never put in more money than you can comfortably afford to watch disappear. If this breakdown helped you spot the red flags in the crypto market, leave a like on the video and subscribe to the channel. Let me know down in the comments which suspicious coin we should do an autopsy on next.